Hello, so we're trying to do an estimate for some concrete and some other drainage work. So basically right here, you can see this is previous stamped concrete. We basically want to extend it. So from here all the way to each edge here, it's just borders 1 feet. Inside here would be 2 feet of stamped concrete. No borders, is stamped concrete all the way here. Pretty much all the way here. And then we'll stop the stamped concrete pretty much right here, where it's about 6 feet around here. So there's some clearance with the sprinkler heads. So if there needs to be something to be fixed, there's some space. And here will be still stamped concrete pretty much here, except on the borders here. Same thing here, we'll have borders right here too. Borders, and then inside would be stamped concrete. So basically the only difference is that it would just have like maybe a feet of dirt here. The rest here would be stamped concrete. So kind of give you an idea. Border, everything here is stamped concrete except here we have some space. There's a drainage here. We want to have this one still dirt, so we'll have around like 3 or 4 feet around all the way here. But then surrounding it would be pretty much stamped concrete and borders, pretty much borders here, and then the border will go around here, and then there'll be stamped concrete. This bush probably needs to go away, or we can build around it, but it's pretty much dead. One thing that we also need to do before that is, you can see there's 3 gutters. We're actually going to delete one of the gutters, but we would need someone to basically trench some and put some PVC pipe, either connect one of these 2 together and drain them out to here. It's about 80 feet. So that's one drainage job. The other drainage job is here. We're gonna actually have another spout from here down here, probably right there, and then we have another one right here. So because we're putting concrete around this area here, we want to put some drainage. Again, PVC, it would pretty much run somehow around here. It would run through here, and then again it goes out here. So another 80 feet. And the last part, it's electrical. What we have here is, you'll see that there's some electrical work being done. Or some electrical, and so it wasn't done correctly, so you need about 16 inches. You definitely need a trencher. We want someone to trench it all the way here, one outlet here, an edge, and then we would run this one here all the way. So it's about 100 feet, so all the way here. So eventually we can put a gate or have power to put landscape lighting. That's pretty much the background here. Again, this is kind of the 3 things: trenching for electrical, trenching for some piping. Since you know someone's trenching it, that's why it makes sense to have a machine for both the electrical and the drainage. And then a mixture of stamped concrete and the borders outside. It's about 350 to 400 square feet. And so that's pretty much what we have here. Again, we just need to make sure that we have space for this one, and then some space with the drainage for the concrete here. And then for all the ones with the drain holes, we would definitely need some drain holes with the concrete, so that's why we would want to do the drainage before. So with that said, that's the scope of work. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.